Hello everyone, welcome to Current Affair MCQs program. Let's begin with previous day's practice question. Question was recently seen in the news. The JT60SA nuclear fusion reactor is located in which of the following countries? Japan, South Korea, North Korea or China? The correct answer is option A, Japan. Recently, the world witnessed the official commencement of operations for JT60SA, the largest and most advanced nuclear fusion reactor located in Japan's Ibaraki Prefecture. This project is a collaborative effort between the European Union and Japan. It represents a leap in nuclear fusion technology, offering a potential solution to humanity's future energy needs. It is a collaborative effort involving over 500 scientists, engineers, and more than 70 companies across Europe and Japan. Therefore, option A is the correct answer. Now let's begin today's session. First question is, consider the following statements regarding the neglected tropical diseases or NTDs. 1. They are a group of diseases that cause substantial illness in more than 1 billion people globally. 2. Tuberculosis, HIV, AIDS and malaria are major NTDs. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2 or neither 1 nor 2? The correct answer is option C, both 1 and 2. Recently, global partners have pledged $777 million to combat neglected tropical diseases. NTDs are a group of infections that are most common among marginalized communities in the developing regions of Africa, Asia, and the Americas. NTDs include several parasitic, viral, bacterial, fungal, and non-communicable diseases that cause substantial illness for more than 1 billion people globally. Hence, statement 1 is correct. These diseases generally receive less funding for research and treatment than maladies like tuberculosis, HIV, AIDS, and malaria. Examples of NTDs are snake bite, envenomation, scabies, yaws, trachoma, leishmaniasis, and Chagas disease, etc. Hence, statement 2 is not correct. Therefore, option A is the correct answer. Next question is, recently Lakadong turmeric has received the geographical indication tag. It belongs to which of the following states? Mizoram, Meghalaya, Tripura or Assam? The correct answer is option B, Meghalaya. Recently, the Meghalaya's Lakadong turmeric has been awarded the geographical indication, that is GI tag. Lakadong turmeric is grown in a small village in the western foothills of the Jayantia Hills in Meghalaya. It is known as the world's best turmeric due to its high curcumin content. Curcumin has been shown to have numerous health benefits, including anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It has also been studied for its potential role in preventing or treating various diseases such as cancer, Alzheimer's, and arthritis. Therefore, option B is the correct answer. Next question is, consider the following statements regarding the Global Positioning System. 1. It was started by US Department of Defense in 1973. 2. It consists of 24 satellites. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2 or neither 1 nor 2? The correct answer is option C, both 1 and 2. Recently, the Global Positioning System was seen in the news. The US Department of Defense started the GPS program in 1973 and launched the first satellite in 1978. Hence, statement 1 is correct. The modern GPS satellite constellation consists of 24 satellites moving around the Earth in 6 orbits. Hence, statement 2 is correct. Each satellite completes 2 orbits in a single day. The overall program has 3 main components: the space segment, the control segment, and the user segment. Therefore, option C is the correct answer. Next question is, consider the following statements regarding the Pompe disease. 1. It is a rare genetic disease. 2. It is caused by the mutations in GLIS1 disease. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2 or neither 1 nor 2? The correct answer is option A, 1 only. Pompe disease, also known as acid maltase disease and glycogen storage disease 2, is a rare genetic disorder. Hence, statement 1 is correct. It causes progressive weakness to the heart and skeletal muscles. It is caused by mutations in a gene that makes an enzyme called acid alpha glucosidase, that is GAA, which the body uses to break down glycogen, a stored form of sugar used for energy. Hence, statement 2 is not correct. The severity of the disease and the age of onset, which varies widely, are related to the degree of enzyme deficiency. Therefore, option A is the correct answer. Next question is, sometimes seen in the news. Panganga River is located in which of the following? Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh or Maharashtra? The correct answer is option D, Maharashtra. Recently, protests were organized against the proposed dam project on the Panganga River in Maharashtra. The Panganga River, also spelt as Painganga, is the chief river of the Yavatmal district in the Maharashtra. It flows along the southeast boundaries of the district in a winding, meandering course. The river originates in the Ajanta ranges in Aurangabad district in Maharashtra. It then flows through Buldhana and Washim districts. Then it acts as a boundary between Yavatmal and Nanded districts of Maharashtra. Therefore, option D is the correct answer. Next question is Panchayat Development Index is released by which of the following? Ministry of Rural Development, Ministry of Panchayati Raj, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, or Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation. The correct answer is option B, Ministry of Panchayati Raj. Recently, the Union Minister of State for Panchayati Raj provided information on the Panchayat Development Index in a written reply in Lok Sabha. The PDI is a composite index that measures the performance of panchayats in achieving the localization of sustainable development goals. It provides a holistic and evidence-based assessment of the development status of panchayats, highlighting their strengths and weaknesses. The PDI aims to promote the localization of SDGs by creating awareness among panchayats and stakeholders about their importance. It is released by the Ministry of Panchayati Raj. Therefore, option B is the correct answer. Next question is consider the following statements regarding the Cyber Surakshit Bharat initiative. 1. It is an initiative of the Ministry of Communications. 2. It was launched in cooperation with the National E-Governance Division. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2. The correct answer is option B, 2 only. Recently, the National E-Governance Division and Ministry of Electronics and IT organized 40th Chief Information Security Officers Deep Dive Training Program under Cyber Surakshit Bharat initiative. Cyber Surakshit Bharat is an initiative of the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Hence, statement 1 is not correct. It was conceptualized with a mission to spread awareness about cybercrime and build capacities of Chief Information Security Officers and frontline IT officials across all government departments. It was launched in cooperation with the National E-Governance Division and various industry partners in India. Hence, statement 2 is correct. Therefore, option B is the correct answer. Next question is consider the following statements regarding the Miyawaki plantation method. 1. It is a Korean technique of restoring forest. 2. It includes planting trees of native species only. 3. The native trees are of the region are divided into 3 layers: shrub, tree and canopy. How many of the statements given above is or are correct? Only 1, only 2, all 3 or none. The correct answer is option A, only 1. Recently, the Ministry of Coal informed that the Southeastern Coalfields Limited is going to use Miyawaki plantation method to enhance green cover. The Miyawaki method of plantation was pioneered in the 70s by Japanese botanist and expert in plant ecology, Mr. Akira Miyawaki. Hence, statement 1 is not correct. This technique of plantation involves planting native trees, shrubs and ground cover plants within every square meter. Hence, statement 2 is correct. The native trees of the region are identified and divided into 4 layers: shrub, subtree, tree and canopy. Hence, statement 3 is not correct. Therefore, option A is the correct answer. Next question is consider the following statements regarding the salamanders. 1. It is an amphibian. 2. It is a nocturnal species. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2. The correct answer is option C, both 1 and 2. Recently, a video of giant ancient salamanders living inside caves in southwest China has sparked awe and concern within the scientific community. A salamander is an amphibian with a slender body and a long tail. Hence, statement 1 is correct. They are found in North America, Europe, Asia, the northern parts of South America and North Africa. They are nocturnal. Hence, statement 2 is correct. Therefore, option C is the correct answer. Last question is sometimes seen in the news. Operation Nandhe Farishte is associated with which of the following organizations? Ministry of Home Affairs, Railway Protection Force, Ministry of Cooperation or Delhi Police. The correct answer is option B, Railway Protection Force. The Railway Protection Force reunited more than 520 missing children with their families under Operation Nandhe Farishte. It was launched on Indian Railways, and under this drive, children in need of care and protection who come into contact with Indian Railways were rescued and handed over to concerned authorities before being restored to their families. RPF was declared a statutory force in 1957 by an enactment of Parliament and subsequently declared as an armed force of the Union of India in the year 1985. RPF is an armed force under the operational and administrative control of the Union Ministry of Railways. Therefore, option B is the correct answer. Now it's time for the practice question. On which of the following International Civil Aviation Day is observed? 7th December, 8th December, 9th December or 6th December? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching.